In this video, you will learn about the column formula in Excel. So this is the simple formula, but you can use this formula along with other formulas to make it complex and to get a proper output. So you can combine this column formula with VLOOKUP formula, HLOOKUP formula, XLOOKUP formula, any formulas. So if you want to learn about the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP or the latest XLOOKUP formula, you can find the video links in the description below. And if you are watching the video for the first time, then please subscribe our channel and you can watch a lot of formulas and functions in Excel. So let's start with the column formula in Excel. This column formula in Excel is nothing but it gives the column number in Excel. So it can identify what is the column number in Excel. So let's take an example and understand. So we'll understand the column formula with examples. So let's start with equal to column and select any cell reference. For example, if I select Apple, it will give me the column number as 1. And similarly, instead of A2, if I give B2 or B3, it will give me the column number as 2. Similarly, if I give C column, it will give me as number 3. So whatever the cell reference you give, based on that, it will give you the column number, so that it can be easily combined with other formulas and you don't have to type the column number manually. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.